If you're not my parents, you're probably asking yourself, who is this guy? I'm not a chef traveling around the world one bite at a time, or a young person inspiring you to quit your job to travel the world. My name is Matt Biggers, and I used to look at spreadsheets for a living. Then I'd go to meetings and I'd talk about my spreadsheets, and everyone would say, Matt, these are amazing spreadsheets. But my real passion has always been travel, and when I picked up a camera for the first time in 2015, I didn't discover a new job, I discovered my calling. As a kid, I grew up in Indonesia and the United Arab Emirates. I worked as an adult in Taiwan and Korea. Traveling, exploring new cultures, meeting new people isn't something I do for Instagram. This is how I've lived my life.
It's a great experience to try Hualpo in China. When you traveled here, you probably will see often that people like to share a lot.
I am not a food and beverage critic. I am an advocate of new places, new people, new ideas, new foods, new experiences. But most importantly, I enjoy showcasing the beauty that all communities possess. I'm a travel filmmaker and photographer. I create videos from in-depth profiles on cool, hip, trendy bars and restaurants.
And memories of food and the smell when I was a kid, so how can I bring those back again?
To more traditional travel vlogs.
Going up and down the wall here, it's absolutely gorgeous. You can see it behind me. We're gonna keep on climbing.
In an era of over-the-top travel influencers, my videos are known for putting equal or greater emphasis on the people and communities I'm filming. And I want that to be the calling card of all of my videos. I want viewers to visit a place because they find the people interesting and the community charming.
Gracias.
Okay. With love.
This means that my fellow humans are the real story.
My name is Irina Vanessa Orellana.
Not voiceless, stereotypical caricatures that we think that culture is or should be.
My first job was with IBM in Honduras.
I never want to do it for the likes. I do it for the pure joy of travel and sharing stories. My name is Matt Biggers, and life's too short not to travel.